In this video, let us find the right inference from the given information. A shopkeeper sells a file and a notebook for Rs 27 to the first customer, a notebook and a pen for Rs 31 to the second customer, and a pen and file for Rs 29 to the third customer. The prices of the items are rounded in rupees. Which of the following inferences is correct? Options: A. The pen is the costliest of the three. B. The file is the costliest of the three. C. The notebook is the costliest of the three. D. The shopkeeper sold the different items to different customers at different rates. Solution. Here, the shopkeeper can sell three items, file, notebook and pen, in two ways. Case 1. Selling different items to different customers at same rates. Case 2. Selling different items to different customers at different rates. Let us consider the validity of both the cases with respect to the given statements. First, let us consider case 1. Selling different items to different customers at same rates. Let F, N and P respectively be the rates at which he sells the file, the notebook and the pen to every customer. Given that he sells a file and a notebook for Rs 27 to the first customer, that is, F plus N equals 27. Let this be equation 1. Also, he sells a notebook and a pen for Rs 31 to the second customer, that is, N plus P equals 31. Let this be equation 2. He then sells a pen and a file for Rs 29 to the third customer. That is, P plus F equals 29. Let this be equation 3. Now, let us find the cost of the pen, file and the notebook from these three equations. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get P minus F equals 4. Let this be equation 4. Adding equations 3 and 4, we get 2P equals 33. This implies that P equals 33 by 2, that is Rs 16.5. Given that the prices of the items are rounded in rupees, thus price of the pen P equals Rs 17. Substituting P equal to 17 in equation 2, we get N equals 31 minus 17, which equals 14. That is, price of a notebook N equals Rs 14. Substituting N equal to 14 in equation 1, we get F equals 27 minus 14, which equals 13. That is, price of a file F equals Rs 13. However, substituting F equal to 13 in equation 3, we get P equals 29 minus 13, which equals 16. That is, price of a pen P equals Rs 16. Thus, we are getting two different values for the price of a pen, which is impossible because in case 1, the shopkeeper is selling the pen at the same price to all the customers. This implies that if the shopkeeper wants the price of the items to be rounded off in rupees, then he cannot sell the items to different customers at same rates. Therefore, case 1 is not valid. That means the shopkeeper is selling different items to different customers at different rates. That is, case 2 is valid. Case 2 is that the shopkeeper sells different items to different customers at different rates. Given that he sells a file and a notebook for Rs 27 to the first customer, let F1 be the price of the file sold to the first customer and N1 be the price of the notebook sold to the first customer. That is, F1 plus N1 equals 27. Let this be equation 1. He sells a notebook and a pen for Rs 31 to the second customer. Let N2 be the price of the notebook sold to the second customer and P2 be the price of the pen sold to the second customer. That is, N2 plus P2 equals 31. Let this be equation 2. He then sells a pen and a file for Rs 29 to the third customer. Let P3 be the price of the pen sold to the third customer and F3 be the price of the file sold to the third customer. That is, P3 plus F3 equals 29. Let this be equation 3. These three equations are not solvable as there are 6 different unknowns involved. Therefore, we cannot infer which is the costliest of the 3 items. Thus, the only inference we can make is that the shopkeeper sold different items to different customers at different rates. Hence, option D is the right answer.